He said,
walk like a man, talk like a man, walk like a man, my son. No woman's worth crawling on the earth, so walk like a man, my son. Walk, 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 walk.
This is Team Ozbots from the land down under Australia for the LEGO Mindstorm Moonbot Challenge. Your hosts today are David Gallia, Lunar Operations Manager from Team Synergy Moon and Team Leader of Ozbots, Jack Gallia and Sam Gallia, two clever individuals who commit themselves to the LEGO Mindstorm Moonbot Challenge. Team Synergy Moon is competing in the Google Lunar X Prize, a $30 million international competition to safely land a robot on the surface of the moon, travel 500 meters over the lunar surface, and send images and data back to the Earth. This is the dream that drives our passion, inspiration, and innovation. Part of the mission of the Google Lunar X Prize and the X Prize Foundation as a whole is to get children like us excited about maths and science and spark our imaginations. This is why we entered the LEGO Mindstorm Moonbot Challenge. Until recently, space was off limits to the public, but in 2004, the winner of the Ansari X Prize proved that private enterprise could travel to space in a reliable, reusable spacecraft less expensively than any government program. The competition ignited a revolution that will launch thousands of civilian passengers into space. Today, the Google Lunar X Prize is challenging free enterprise to reach much further to the moon to pave the way to harnessing its wealth of harnessing resources only days away, the Earth's partner in a unique two-world system. The early missions learnt much about the moon, but they were far too expensive and lacked any long-term plans, so in 1972, Moon 1.0 was abandoned. Earth's neighbour, the moon, can become our greatest asset. It could help provide our planet with abundant resources and clean, affordable, limitless energy. The Google Lunar X Prize is designed to kickstart Moon 2.0, a revolution in space to benefit all humanity. Much of the lunar soil is silicon, the key ingredient in solar cells. In the future, silicon could be mined and used to build large solar power satellites. These satellites could be deployed to capture clean solar energy for the Earth, each one capable of powering a large city like our own. There are many curious places of exploration that can take place on the moon. Ice could be broken down into hydrogen and oxygen, elements which are vital to lunar habitation and to producing rocket fuel that we need, propelling us to new worlds. The lunar night is extremely cold, so there's an added cash prize for our team that is able to survive the equivalent of 2 Earth weeks of brutally frigid temperatures. Finally, to connect with our existing space heritage partners, there is a bonus prize for us for the first team to find artifacts of previous exploration. Why should we go back to the moon? To date, only the Soviet Union and the United States have soft-landed vehicles on the moon. The teams need to raise private funding for their missions, which is a task arguably as difficult as the technical challenges. The teams are required to send information, pictures and video to enable people around the world to participate in the mission via the internet. Finally, the lunar temperatures range from 123 degrees Celsius at noon down to minus 233 degrees Celsius at midnight. Lunar days and nights are each 14 Earth days long. Today, the Google Lunar X Prize ignites our imagination, allows us to participate and challenge private enterprise to take us back to the moon. This time, we're planning to stay. Your hosts today have been David, Jack and Sam, and good night from Team Ozbots and Planet Earth.